I'm so excited. This has happened finally. About damn time some intelligence prevailed. A federal court judge has blocked the Corporate Transparency Act, saying that it's just blocked temporarily, but they're saying that, yeah, this might not be constitutional. And I absolutely agree. Now, the law in question is titled the Corporate Transparency Act. It sounds nice, but it is a bunch of bull crap. And of course, it's through the Department of Treasury, the Financial Crimes Division, and the idea is behind it is they're trying to bust out all of these shell corporations who are moving money behind the scenes by knowing who the owners are of every company in America. And then they go and list exemptions like this, like the very first one, it says large operating companies. If you have more than 20 employees and $5 million in gross sales, you don't have to file this report. And look at that entire list there. That just basically eliminates a good portion of all businesses in America. You know who's left? Small businesses and micro businesses and self-employed. So that means that this law was specifically targeted to them. I mean, specifically because what small business can afford $591 a day because they didn't comply? And it's not really a compliance issue. I can't tell you how many people whom I've told about this who had no idea. And if you go over to the government's website, they said, oh, we've made every effort to tell everyone. I never got a letter. No one came knocking on my door. No one told. You know where I heard about it? I heard about it on TikTok. Now, the biggest reason why I called a bunch of bullcrap on this is because as an LLC, all LLCs are required annually on their federal income tax return for a 1065 Form K1 to disclose who the owners of the business are, including their percentages. So to make a whole separate entity to do this is just bull. It's a redundant waste of taxpayer money. We all know what this is. It's to target small businesses. Absolutely, we all know what it is because, like I said, you looked at the list of exemptions. Once you take out everyone who doesn't qualify under the Corporate Transparency Act, the only place left is small businesses, LLC, self-employed. And that information, if you don't put the line across the T and you don't dot your I, they're coming after you. I mean, we don't need a whole law to do this. You already have the tools to do this. It's called the IRS. I'm just saying. The IRS in itself has the tools to combat this. They just have to do it.